Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, power liftgate, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, luggage rack, power sunroof, navigation system, backup camera. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.